What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how to add deal and track deal in your Freshsales CRM. For that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So, first thing first, the link in the description is attached for the Freshsales CRM dashboard. Click on that, and you will be redirected to this page. So, just log in with your official credentials, and you will be right here. On the left hand side, navigate yourself to the left hand side tabs and you will see dashboard, contacts, accounts, and then deals. Just go to the deals and you will see the whole platform right here for the deals and pipelines. So in the deal, there will be an option to add the deal in it. So once you see the option to add a deal, you can just click on add a deal option. Here, relate it to contact. For example, relate it to any contact so that your deal will be tracked. It will have a history, and all the history will be maintained with the contact. So, for example, if you have a specific contact in your mind, you can add that. Otherwise, in the basic plan, you will see a bunch of the contacts. For example, Gene Simpleton. We're gonna go ahead and create a deal which will be attached with the Gene Simpleton option. So that's the right name. As you guys can see that the name popped up right here. Related account. I'll just go ahead and again use this name. Deal type, for example, there's a professional services, deal value, add the value, you can add the currency and all the stuff. If you want to add the product, you can add that. And now all the deal related stuff will be maintained under the contact name of James Simpleton for me. So this is how you guys can create a deal and track the deal as it goes. So that was pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. See you in the next one.